Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cancelling or withdrawing a sent friend request on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but it will be the same settings on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the Friends icon at the bottom left of the homepage. If you are on Android, then the Friends icon will be at the top left of the page. On the Friends page, tap on Requests in the top left. These are the friend requests people have sent to you. Tap on the three dots button in the top right corner of the page, and then tap on View Sent Requests from the bottom. Here is a list of all of the friend requests you have sent that have not been accepted. To withdraw your request, tap on Cancel below their name. When you open that page again, the sent request will have disappeared from the list. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.